welcome to my channel today. Thank you all so much for joining me, and thanks for all of your love and support that you show me every single time. I really appreciate all of the comments that you guys leave me. So sweet that you all take time out of your day to leave me a comment. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some items that I received from QueenACraft, and they reached out to me to be a guest designer for them. So I was super excited when they asked me, and I said yes. so I just want to tell them, if they're watching, thank you so much for inviting me to be a guest designer for you. I am really excited to share all of my projects with everyone. So in my package, I received this pretty little card, okay? And on the back, it just tells you thank you for your support and everything. And, you know, if you need to contact them, you can definitely do that. Also gives you their Instagram and YouTube name, okay, their information on the back of that card. I also received this super cute little notebook. I think that is so cute because, you know, we always making notes, right? So I really think that is an awesome idea. And so for my dies, y'all, I'm super excited. Okay, I cannot wait to get started. So this one is called the Color Ball Dies, and this is how I list my dies. So sometimes they don't have the names on the dies, so I go ahead and I place the name on the back of each of my packages. So that's just one of the tips that I wanted to give y'all. So when you are storing your dies or something, that's how I go ahead, and so I know what the die is called. But yeah, so this one is a ball, and I am super stoked about getting this one this project started. So yeah, so this is called the Color Ball Die. Okay, the next one I have is called Natural Flower Die, and this is so pretty, you guys. This is really super nice, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. So I want to take these little flowers out. I'm so excited. So they come like this, okay, and super pretty, y'all. Look. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to make some flowers with this. So yeah, so I'm super excited about that. And you get 4 pieces. So yeah, do some layering. We're gonna make some flowers with this, y'all. The next one I got, I cannot wait to do either. This is a gift bag. So this one is the folded gift bag die, okay? Folded gift bag die, and I am really excited about doing this one too. So I think it would be really cute for like little maybe a little candy inside, little present, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. So be on the lookout for this, you guys, because I'm super excited about doing this one. So so yeah, so there are the 3 dies that I chose for my projects, and I am really excited. So I will leave all of the links down below for you, including the customer discount for you, okay? So up next, we're going to go ahead and work on one of these projects. Hey y'all, so now that you've already seen the haul, now we're going to go ahead and get started with one of the dies that I got. So I decided to go ahead and use this natural flower die, and it comes with 4 little flowers, okay? So this one, this little petal here, or this flower, goes on top of that one, and then this one has this one here. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut out a few. I went ahead and have my paper already cut out, so I'm going to just use the Bo Bunny Sweet Moments paper. I had that in my stash, and so I'm going to go ahead and use those 2 pieces. I think I'm going to use this piece too. I hate to use this, you guys. It's so cute, but I'm using up my stash, y'all. I'm using up my stash. So, so yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started with these. And I just want to go ahead and cut these out and share with you how well these cut out, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in here. And I'm just going to go ahead and face all of these down here, just like that. Alrighty, just like that. And we're just gonna go ahead and yes, I got new plates for my big kick. I was like so excited. Finally went down to the store and picked them up. So I thought I had ordered them online, but I guess I never did. So I thought I did, but you know, they were saved in my basket, and then I thought, well, I'm over at Michael's anyway, I might as well go ahead and pick some up. So I'm just taking these out of here. There we go. And I'm going to put these off to the side, okay? And then I'm going to grab some more. I'm just going to go ahead and cut everything out while I'm here, and then we will come back and we will start putting these little flowers together. I'm so excited, y'all. So okay, y'all, so once you get your flowers cut out, then what you're going to do, and I'm just going to show you real quick. So see on this one here, this, and you could probably see it better through this. Nope, maybe my hand is better. Okay, so you'll have like little pieces in through here on the inside of this petal, okay? And you're just going to go ahead and grab your little brush or your stick, pick stick or whatever you've got, and you're just going to run that through, and those little pieces will come out, okay? And then you're going to go ahead, and you've got a couple of more pieces that are like right in through here that will also need to come out. So so you'll go ahead and just use your little stick pick, you know, to pick those out. All right, just like that. And there we go, just like that. Okay, and so yeah, so there is that. So that's what you're going to do to the big ones and the little ones, and I'm going to finish up doing that real quick. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and used the opened flower portion of the die, and I'm going to put that on top of the gold foil, okay? And then the gold foil is going to go on top of another flower, and we're just going to turn it like this, and then this part will go on top of there, and it'll be turned sideways as well, so it'll kind of look like a 3-layered flower. And I went ahead and did one with the little flower here, and so cute, you guys. I really like how it turned out. The bottom layer, I went ahead and just folded these petals downward. The gold foil, or the second layer, the one that's in the middle, I went ahead and just folded that inward, so it kind of is folded like this. So it's folded in just like this, okay? So it makes kind of like a crease in between those two, all right? And then the top one, I went ahead and just brought up those little middle stamens that are in the middle there, okay, just like that. Okay, I don't know if y'all, can you see? There we go. So you can see me just bringing those little stamens up to the middle part, just like that. Okay, so here is the closest look of that. So it kind of stands up a little bit, okay? And we're going to do that with all of the flowers, all right? And so I'm going to go ahead and put these together, and we're just going to go ahead, like I said, we're just going to layer these, all right? And I'm just going to go ahead and grab some glue here, okay? Just like that. All right, this is going to go on top, and you're going to turn it, okay, just like that. Alrighty, the top foiled portion of the die, okay, which is the opened petal or the open leaves here, then we're going to go ahead and stick that on top of there. So I'm just adding that just like that. You're going to go ahead and place that on top, and you're going to, basically that's going to line up with the bottom flower, okay? And then I just squeezed mine together like this, okay? So it kind of looks like that. Alrighty, and then I grabbed my little an old brad foam piece here that came with some brads on it a long time ago, And then I have my old pokey tool that is from a eyelet setter kit, and I just went ahead and used that pokey tool to make a hole in the middle of that flower, okay, just like that. And then I grabbed my little brad, and I'm just gonna poke that through and separate those just like that, okay. And then the bottom part, you're going to go ahead and just fold under with your, now I didn't wet these or anything, so you don't have to, but you can if you want to, okay. And you're just going to go ahead and fold those under just like that, okay. And then the middle section, you're going to go ahead and fold inward just like this. That is going to help lift that top portion here of your little petal, okay, of your little petals here. Okay, so see how it's lifting those up. And then you're going to go ahead and grab those little stamens that are in the top part, and you're just going to bring those forward. I'm just going to fold those forward just like that. Okay. And that is how we're going to make our little flowers. So they are so stinking pretty, y'all. I love this. I love this die. And so that is how we're going to just layer our flowers, okay? And again, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to fast forward a bit, okay? And so I hope that you all join me in doing this. It's so fun. So because once we're done making all of our flowers, my next tutorial is going to be using this beautiful little color ball die set, and this is going to be super stinking cute, you guys. I cannot wait to share this with you, so stay tuned, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put the flowers together, and I'm gonna fast forward. So I finished with putting together all of my flowers, and they are so pretty. Look at how pretty they are. I love it with the gold and the pink, you guys. So pretty. And so that is it for this tutorial. Again, these flowers are the natural flower die, okay? And you get a big and a medium one of the regular flower petal, and then you get the open flower petal is what I'm calling it, and that just sits right on top of your flower right here, okay? And so, but we layered these, and we did 2 of the regular flower petals, and then the little open one sits right on top of there, just like that. Okay, how pretty is that? Oh my gosh. So stay tuned for the next tutorial, you guys. This one was just a little quick one for you to get started on our projects. Our next one is going to be super cute. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you later. I will have all of the links down below to the store and what I used in today's tutorial. Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.